You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this, the name of this number. This is actually, the symbol here is a letter in the Greek alphabet. If you want to learn more names from mathematics and Greek, stay tuned as well. We got all of them at the end of the video. This is the number pi, 3.14159265359, etc. Pi is how you say it, the number or the letter pi. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.